busy. As you can see, it's a very packed flight. Wasn't it?
It was a packed flight. We hated it.
Hated it. It's terrible.
No room to stretch.
Absolutely no room to stretch. Now I'm just trying to connect to the internet to pull up my COVID so I can technically get in here because I can't.
Just be at the airport.
I could be potentially stuck at the airport. You want to know why? Yes, you probably do. Well, I'll tell you why, but not at the airplane. All I gotta say is I gotta try to get in the country. It's pretty nice. Hey! Well, I'm not stuck at an airport anymore as one might have anticipated.
I didn't think we were gonna make it. I'm still shocked that we're sitting here right now.
And you're probably wondering, well, why? You had a ticket and a valid passport, right? Yes. I even had a COVID test as requested. However, there's a catch. Some countries require you to submit your COVID test prior to entering, that's a fair assessment. The problem is that I found this out 15 minutes before our flight was departing. And needless to say, the outlook of me making our trip was looking grimmer and grimmer by the second. The next catch is that, oh, okay, I missed this flight, I'll get the next one tomorrow. The next flight is the following Saturday, a week from now. So, yeah, this trip was either gonna happen or it wasn't gonna happen, and it was gonna be the ultimate deal breaker. So, we're waiting at the front gate, scrambling, trying to get this barcode that I needed to get.
Literally shaking, I was crying.
And it came down to that I was waiting for an email, submitted all my documents. It gave an email that said it'll take up to 12 hours to get your barcode to be accepted. And I was like, well, 12 hours isn't gonna work, I have 12 minutes. So I took her barcode, cut it down, presented it to the kiosk at the gate with my passport and my ticket, and she accepted it. And I ran like the Dickens to the airplane, and we are here.
Miraculously.
So, moral of the story is, regardless of what country you're entering, make sure that they don't require you to submit your COVID test ahead of time.
And you can check on their official government website like we had to do in a panic.
Because I'm the luckiest son of a gun probably today.
Yes.
I should not be here. I should not have made this flight, but we're here.
Which makes it that much
and
better.
It's incredible. And I'm so excited to show you what this beautiful country is about. So.
Beautiful.
Water is so warm. Oh, I like that. Good. Picking up the trash.